morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the bobber. And it is early as frick. I don't know. I may try to start doing that whole not cussing so much on YouTube. We'll see. Ready for the magic? Magic. Alright guys, so I had to get up and running this morning bright and early, and I figured, you know what, I'm taking the bike out, I'm taking my favorite road so I can go over and help my dad do some stuff. And I also figured, let's make my SCMM announcement video. Now some of you may be going, well, what's SCMM? And I will tell you, it is the SoCal Motovlogger Meetup, which was started, I believe, 5 years ago by a suburban delinquent. It's a fun weekend. Motovloggers getting together to hang out, chill. And on Saturday, we have a big event at Chaparral, big group ride, all that fun stuff. And I want to stress this before I go along with the rest of the video. If you come out to SCMM, please stay safe. Alright? It's not something to be stunting on the highway and stunting at the event. That's not what this event is. So, I know, unfortunate, but you can always do it on your own time. There's plenty of other areas. You know, we don't want to ruin a good thing. Full Pin Motor, Chuxtr, Cycnurse, Warbeard, all these guys are doing a lot of work for us. And let's have fun and do good by them. Now, the dates for the SCMM are July 26th to 28th. And the actual event at Chaparral is on the 27th. I believe it's from noon to 3. So it'll be a lot of fun if it's anything like it was last year. Last year was my first year. I'd only been doing YouTube for 1 month. This time I'll be doing YouTube for 11 months. So, still brand new. And super happy to be there. Super happy to announce that I'm going to have a booth for the Indian Motorcycle World. Should have a good amount of Indians there. Jay Fast, my Canadian bearded brother, will be coming down from Canada. Eh? I'm super excited to get with this dude. I met Meatball Rebel last year, but he's going to be coming down again, and we have at least one more member of the Indian Motorcycle World coming. Also, Jackie Boy with his bobber is supposed to be coming up from San Diego. Should be a damn good time. So remember, if you guys have Indians, or not, I mean, I want everybody to come, make it a big ass event, but if you happen to have Indians, get with me, so we can try to get a good amount of us together, and I think that'll be cool for some group shots, maybe some group riding, who knows. We got to figure out the weekend because we got a lot of stuff going on. If you haven't already subscribed to JFash, you should totally do that. He's going to be doing a series of stuff, getting his bike ready to come down from Canada, because he's going to be riding from Canada down to here and back up. He's got a big trip planned, and I'm lucky enough to be a part of it. Seriously love this road. I think it's one of the first ones I filmed on, or started testing my GoPro on, which would have been like right before SCMM last year. Okay, back to the topic. Yeah, so it should be a lot of fun, you guys, and a lot of cool people coming. I can't wait to hang out with, not just them, but with Warbeard, Chuxtr, Cycnurse, the rest of the guys. I actually get to ride with them. We don't live that far from each other, and I've been wanting to ride with them. Life just gets in the way, so making time for this event should be a lot of fun. I've got a couple other events coming up. after SCMM, after. One of them's next month, but that's Laughlin River Run. That's not my event. Hopefully I can get one of my events going before SCMM, but we will see. And hopefully I can get that out and see who wants to come. I don't know yet. But like I was saying, let's get back to just hit some topic, the points real quick. And I'll let you guys get on your way. Take down this information. July 26th to 28th, SCMM. If you want to go just to the main event, 27th. Now, also go follow SoCal Motovlogger Meetup. Put that on the screen. On Instagram, there'll be posting stuff. There's also SCMM2019.com. You can buy merch. They are not like doing a GoFundMe or anything. They've already spent quite a bit of money doing this. So if you go buy merch, that helps out. Plus, merch, it looks really, really cool. It's all through Teespring. You can actually go to Chuxtr's video. I'll click a link to that. And he can tell you more about that information. And if you have any other information, like stuff you want to get with, you can also DM me. I am local to the area, so if you want to know some local questions, I most likely can answer them. Or I can try to point you in the right direction. This road right here is in between the two. This is Oak Glen, California. One of my favorite roads to ride. So take that stuff down, go follow those people, and let's make 2019 SCMM one of the best, all right? Woo! All right, guys, stay safe, stay classy.